Welcome to the Sanctuary of Satisfaction. Get that drink of that beer out of the way first. Welcome to the Bears halftime quick recipe show. The final Bears game of the season. Is it not halftime yet? Oh shit. Yeah, it's halftime. Never mind. Premature live action there. We're gonna throw down a Monte Cristo today. This is my egg wash and TD's Bourbon barbecue barrel aged bourbon. This is spicy mango jelly. Queen fans out there? Lame. Anyways, there it is. Put down some Gouda cheese, really thin turkey, some Black Forest ham. We're tailgating basically, right? Another slice of cheese on it. And then I got my bread. It's a nice little sandwich here. Smash it down a little bit. Use a little bit of butter into the egg wash. This is the Monte Cristo. Sorry guys, no game next week. We will not do a Bears halftime show during the Packers game. I'm gonna flip it again. Bengals, Lions, boo. Can't have the Packers. Look at this beautiful Monte Cristo here. Powdered sugar. You like that powdered sugar on there? Poof. There's your Monte Cristo, everybody. Right here. Feels like a cutscene from Below. Man, this is amazing. You can bite right through the middle. Damn, that sandwich is gonna go down harder than the Vikings are. Goodbye, Bears fans. See you guys next week. Unfortunately, we won't be rooting for the Bears at halftime. Make your French toast with barrel-aged bourbon. I'm gonna get to this Monte Cristo, and I'm gonna watch the Bears just throttle the Vikings for the rest of it. Cheers. I'm TD, and this is TD's Bourbon Barbecue. Make love to your meat, everybody. See you next year, Bears fans. Playoffs.